Hey guys, so if you have the issue that you can create a project in Unity, that you can see like here, the unable to create a project, and you tried a different, like not the C, creating my documents, maybe that is going to help, but return the license through the manage a license in Unity Hub and edit again, refresh the license and create a new project. And people wrote here, this worked for me as well, thank you. So this is something that you can try to do, and maybe it's going to help you. And have a great day and goodbye.